It's Taco 9. Y'all bring y'all back with another video. And today I'm changing out my doors. Working on the driver's side now. Cuddy Boy 87 came over here and changed out my passenger door. So shout out to him, you know, for the hospitality, man. He came over here, took time out of the day, changed the door. I've been working, me and my daughter been working on this thing since damn near 8, 9 this morning, and I didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't know what I was doing. So once you know, he came over, he had it on 15, 20 minutes. So what I was doing wrong was, so this is the factory one, this door hinge. That's the one from this door. So I had these secured in place, just bolted all the way down to the T. So when we tried to lift it up with the jack and stuff, there was no room, you know, no leeway, no room to pivot, move, or anything like that. So I gave up. I cut my leg in 2-3 places and all this and that. But he came over here, he got it on. And these doors are in good condition. My car is actually a Cialis or however you call it. So it's not that bad, but this door would not open from the outside. And rather than try to fix all that, I got these doors from Good Deal from my buddy Smoke. So, you know, we put them on, we put them in. It's not, let's see. Yeah, it's not that bad of shape. Brown, same color car. You know, everything on it looks good. But this door right here, as you can tell, it was white, a little burgundy. We even got some blue turquoise, whatever. But this is good. This is real good. It looks good. Burgundy interior. It just depends. You guys gotta excuse the mess. I know it's been a while since I gave you content on the car, man. Life's been lifing, so we just taking it day by day, man. So yeah, I'm gonna put that door on. I'm gonna work on this one. As you guys see, I scored 8.8. 8.5 ren. Got some good uppers and lowers. Some bitch ain't got no brakes. Ain't no brakes, got long studs. Good arms and everything like that. Still got my 4L60E. Waiting on a converter from a TCI. So now we're finna change out this door. And the reason why, because look at this. This ain't gonna cut it. This ain't gonna cut it. That ain't gonna cut it. New. That's not gonna cut it. So I'm fencing to get this here socket. This is a trusty dusty. It is 11/16. No, 7/16. So I'm gonna unbolt these 6 off. These 6 bolts holding the door. Snatch the door off. I'm gonna swap out the hinges. On the other door, I'm gonna replace one of these because this door won't even stay open if I take it off this jack. It'll just literally just fall all the way back. So I'm gonna get this off, get everything, swap everything over, and then I'll touch base with you guys and stay tuned. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we got the door off. Yeah, man, these hinges are in. Ooh, look at that. That's in bad shape. Yeah. So I am. Yeah, all that. That's bad. So I am gonna snatch this off. Now this right here ain't that bad. Damn. Someone's got more pine straw. Someone's got more pine straw than damn playground. So it's got some play in it. Yeah, that ain't gonna cut it. So the pin. So I guess that's the pin. They were telling me you could break the pin or do whatever. So I'm gonna snatch those 2 brackets off. Swap them out with this one and that one. As you see, no play. neither one. We're gonna get everything lined up and get everything bolted back up, and get back with you guys shortly. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we got the doors on both sides. I gotta do some more adjusting, because you can see this gap right here. And if you look at it from down right here, it's kind of out. So there's got to be some adjustments. Once again, thanks to Popeye and Credit Boy 87, because, man, believe me, I'd have still been out here 2-3 days later dealing with these doors, man. But, oh yeah, I mean, this is, you know, for the most part, you know, it's good. At the hinges, it was a power door. I cut the wires right there, but I still got the pigtail, so in case I need to, you know, put them back in and whatnot, you know, do everything. It's missing a window thing there, but, you know, it's, for the most part, it looks better than the original doors. But yeah, you got it, man. Doors on. Those are my original doors. Gonna probably keep them as a spare, get the glass and all that stuff out of them. The panels aren't that bad. It's just, you know, I think this is it's just really this, man. All this shit. Yeah, that I have it. Yeah, guys, there you have it, man. The doors on. Trying to get this thing ready. A few more parts, man. Hopefully the next video will be us putting transmission in, converter, waiting from PTC, get the exhaust ran, go back over everything, and start getting some footage with this thing, man. But, you know, like I say, I'm very thankful for everybody that tunes in to this build, man. I know it's been a minute since I posted something. You know, life was lifing, but we're getting there slowly but surely, but I'm eternally grateful for everyone that supports the process, man. So it's stuck on 9, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video. We out.